Welcome to the world of creating possibilities, your online destination for tapping into your intuitive powers. Today, let us discuss in pearls of intuition how our beliefs get formed, how most people try to change their beliefs and why that doesn't work, how old beliefs keeps you from achieving your goals, and how to eliminate beliefs that I am not good enough or no one loves me. If you wish to switch and upgrade your belief, then hang on till the end of this video. For all those who are joining me for the first time, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author, and a therapist. We are all born confident. However, somewhere along the way, we picked up negative beliefs about feeling unworthy, about being not good enough. All that negative self-talk, all that doubt, it lingers within us, affecting us every single day. Science shows that up to 90% of what we do as adult is dictated by subconscious pattern learned as a child. It is time to claim back what is rightfully ours and take back our power to experience unhindered confidence. What if you could hit reset and clear your subconscious of all the outdated limiting beliefs? Imagine a life where nothing holds you back, a life where you are unstoppable. Well, now you can have that life with just 2 simple steps: switch and upgrade. The first step is to identify and understand the limiting beliefs and then switch. The second step is to replace them with powerful beliefs through advanced spiritual upgrades. So let us switch and upgrade our beliefs. If you want to take notes, keep your diary and pen handy. So let us begin. What is a belief? A belief is a firm thought that something is true. It's a statement about reality that we think is the truth. There is some limiting, deep-seated belief you have about yourself. As old story you keep telling yourself, it holds you back. The story isn't the objective account of your day-to-day life. Instead, a psychiatrist and a Harvard Medical School professor, John Sharp, said in his TEDx talk, "It is the story you have been telling yourself about who you are and how everything always plays out." This belief is based on your assumption of what you can't do, what always happens or what never happens, and what are some of the most common beliefs that limit us. The most common beliefs is, "I am stupid." You might wonder, how could that be? I will explain. Just be open. "I am not good enough" is the other most common belief. I don't think I have ever had a client who didn't have these beliefs. Other common beliefs are, "I am not important." Mistakes and failures are bad. If I make a mistake or fail, I'll be rejected. The most common belief that ruins people's lives, "What makes me good enough is my achievements." So that workaholism. So we all have what we call patterns. So a pattern is, I procrastinate. I do not speak up for myself. I get in relationship where I am not treated with dignity and respect. I allow other people to shine and I don't. I can't find a relationship. I am a shutdown. I am not loved. I am not loving and affectionate. I do not allow love in. I have an anger issue, anxiety issue, as those are all the patterns and underlining every pattern. So life can be wonderful or it can be difficult, but your belief will keep you from living an effortless life. They will keep you stuck at every turn. Let me explain with an example that a belief is like a beach ball we play in a pool or beach that doesn't sink in water. And you have this belief, I am not good enough, but what makes me good enough depends on my achievements. As long as you are achieving this, I am not good enough belief stays underwater. But if you aren't achieving, then these beliefs keep coming up and triggering you. That is why people say, I don't have the belief, I am not important. Well, if you were not achieving what you wish to achieve, or you did not run a successful business, or you weren't the CEO, or if you aren't very wealthy, how important do you feel about yourself? So those are the most common beliefs that keeps us stuck. I am sure many people who love to attend personal growth motivational sessions have taken a lot of courses, and these courses are wonderful. They teach you wonderful things. Then when you go home and you say, oh my God, that was the best thing I ever did. And my experience is that 3 days later, the notes are in the drawer and not a lot have changed. But when you get rid of your limiting belief, you feel from within, I can do that. Yes, I can do that. And you start implementing all this wonderful stuff that you are learning. So it's the roots that you are holding you down. Let me share an interesting story. I had a client who had a lot of violence in her house, and she asked her mother, why do you stay with daddy if he hurts you? And she said, because I love him. So this little girl concluded that love is painful. The first time when I heard that belief, I said to myself, how could love be painful? That's surprising. And that was 20 years ago. And this was actually a friend of mine. Her belief was, love is stupid, painful and danger. And she attracted her spouse who was violent alcoholic, just like her father. She decided she did not want her mother's life, and so she divorced him. After we worked on her belief system, she married someone she loved, and she has been married to this man for 14 years now, who is lovely and wonderful, and she loves him and he is a real person. So that was one story. Another story about people breaking through and attracting success in their business and their lives. I had a participant who was extremely low on self-esteem, depressed as someone ditched her in relationship. So her belief was, I am not good enough and I am not important and I am not worthy. I do not matter. And she had a lot of beliefs about that she didn't deserve. That was the way it was. I didn't work with her through therapy, but she did my intuitive training program, and she sent me this mail, and she said she went from a dead-end job where she was making 35,000 a month, and she said she walked into this job interview and she asked for 50,000, and she said that she didn't feel scared for the first time, but instead she felt she deserved it, and this was a couple of years ago. Recently, she reached out to me and she said that I want you to know that I am now making a lakh of rupee. She said, I am the senior manager in this company, and thank you Laila, thank you. So in intuitive training, your limiting beliefs goes away. You switch and you upgrade. In today's time, where so much is going on around us, first time I'm offering Switch and Upgrade through 30 advanced spiritual download online program. Link shall be shared in the description below. Due to this upgrades on love, business growth, relationship, in fact all the major areas of your life, everything opens up completely in every way. Now let us understand how these beliefs get formed. We are going to really do a deep dive into your life. We come into this world blank, but as you keep experiencing life, you started to create beliefs. We do not know whether we are good enough, as no matter what we do, those around us always expect more of us. We do not know if we are worthy or we are not worthy. We do not know if money is scarce and hard to get or if it is abundant. We do not know if life is hard. Accidentally you break something and you are criticized. What's wrong with you? You conclude, I am not capable. I am wondering why I am getting criticized. Why can't I live up to my parents' expectations? Why are they ignoring me? I am not important. Why aren't I getting hugs and kisses and affection? I guess I am not lovable. I get yelled at when I make mistakes. Well, I guess mistakes are bad. So that's how beliefs get formed. And you know how they impact our life and block us from experiencing love. There is this big fear associated with rejection. Get rid of your limiting beliefs with my switch and upgrade program. I have to be perfect in order to be good enough. What makes me good enough is having other people think well of me. So when you get rid of your own beliefs, I promise you, it is the greatest gift of interior space. It is just so freeing. Want to experience the switch? So I want you to take 3 deep cleansing breaths. I want you to shut everything around you. Forget it. Put it next to you. You can have it back as soon as we have finished. But for right now, I just want you to be as present as you can possibly be. So now, I want everybody to just say out loud. Even if you have people near you or in another room, don't whisper but say out loud. I am not good enough. I am not good enough. Now say, I am a monkey. I am a monkey. So when you say I am a monkey, how does that make you feel? For most, you will feel silly. But when you said I am not good enough, how did that make you feel? Write down the answers in the comments below. How you felt when you repeated I am not good enough. Now listen, I am not good enough are just words. If it feels bad or doesn't feel good, that's what you need to switch and upgrade. You may join the 30 days program at a special offer price. Details in the description below. But if you say you do not have any limiting belief, just state out loud and see how does that make you feel. Say out loud and check. I am not important. You can use any belief that you have that you feel like you have been struggling with. Money is scarce and hard to get. After saying, check whether it felt comfortable or it felt silly. What if it felt uncomfortable? And that means, yes, this is a good belief for you to switch and upgrade. Receive 30 advanced energetic spiritual upgrades in your heart and in your deep subconscious mind. This can be compared to the digital process of software updates on your mobile and laptop. The spiritual upgrade serves as a system update to help move you past your limited human perceptions of reality and help us remember how to perceive life from the eyes of the divine. The energetic upgrades free up spaces in our mind that are otherwise occupied and used by limiting belief and unhealthy emotional states that we have created, which in turn slows down our mind ability to manifest our dream and create infinite possibilities. Act today and join this 30 days of upgrade for spiritual evolution and growth, leading to attracting abundance in every area of your life with ease and grace. And if you found today's video valuable, do share with your family and friends and let's together make a difference. And be sure to give up a thumbs up because it really helps us others find our videos and supports our channel as well. Also, if you ever want to connect directly with me for coaching or therapy, you just need to pick up your phone and details are shared in the description below. Do raise your frequency high and keep it high until we meet next. Light and fragrance to all of you.